It's 980.
Wrong. That's too much. Wow, I wish I had your phone, man.
180.
Wrong. Wrong. For what? For bus pass. Library, right? What is the room number of a library?
Two not one.
Wrong.
200.
Yes. Eat. Eat. She gave? Yeah. 207. No.
206. 206.
No. It's my classroom. All second floor classrooms over. Can you shout together? Which room number? C.
ಇನ್ನೂರ
Wrong.
ಒಂಬತ್ತು.
They've already told the right answer.
209.
So we have come to a conclusion. The person who bunks a lot bunks where? Library. That's the reason he knows the room number. And
I'll take you home, baby, let you give me company. You give me some of you, I give you some of me. You look good, baby, let's taste back of me. I'm pretty sure that you got your own recipe. So pick it up, yeah, I like you. I just can't get enough, I gotta drive through. Cause it's me, you, me, you. All night, have it your way, for play, before
The next event that we have arranged for you guys is called Air Crash. Saptagiri sir will be the judge, and based on your own initiative, 3 people will be chosen. The game goes this way. You're in a plane right now. The plane is going to crash. There is just one parachute. Celebrity, and you're going to convince the judge that you need the parachute. The best one of the 3 will win. Alright? There is a plane, it's going to crash. Come on guys, listen. I can't hear you. There's just one parachute, and you need to convince Saptagiri sir that you should be given the parachute. Come on, I need 3 volunteers. Shivangi? Ravi? Come on, Ravi. Guys, yeah, Ravi on demand, nice. Guys, I'm just getting 7 people. Come on, the others too. Initiate. Nice, Ashish, come first. We have 1 participant, 2 more. Wow, Arjun, come first. What?
Rocky Sawan. Yeah, can we get some celebrities from the audience, please? Prasad, okay, done. Rocky Sawan, Sonia Gandhi, and Lalu. Okay, now you should tell us why you have to be alive in this world. Why you should be given the parachute. Okay? Okay, we'll start from Sonia Gandhi.
Rocky and Manmohan, see, today you are there, tomorrow you are not there. But tomorrow, I have to lead the country for 50 more years and get it to a developed country. So please give me the parachute and let me go down and save India. And Rocky, you can still dance on the dance floor and you can still rock. But for me, politics is the rock floor. So you need to give me that 1 parachute so that I can go down and I can save India and make it a developed country. For most of the thousands of the country people, and I need to do good for them.
Who likes Rocky Sound over here? Anyone? Anyone? I mean, she's the item girl of India. Come on, guys. You want her to be alive or not? Do you want to be alive? Come on. Can
You
I get
need
a
to
step?
say you are the item girl of India.
I'm
Nice.
the item girl of India. Come on, guys. Oh my God, my button's open, guys. And if you guys see me and give me the parachute, I will organize the second part of Swayamvar. So you guys can marry me. Come on, guys. That's the deal. And my next item song will be very bold. So you guys can imagine that, huh? Do you want it or not?
Great question. Fine. You organizing a Swayamvar is beneficial for the guys. How about the girls, man?
I mean, come on. I think gay marriage is quite lawful in India right now.
Charu,
So girls can have a try on me. It's not an issue.
Rocky,
You can have a try.
my dear Rocky.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. नहीं इतना शर्म की बात नहीं है, सुना इधर. Can we have some music? Okay, you want to be alive, right? Please dance like Rocky Sawan.
I hope you enjoyed it. Did you? Did you guys enjoy it? Once more. Oh, come on, guys. No. Rocky's only once. That's it. No more. Give me the parachute. I want the parachute. Will you give me the parachute? Will you give me the parachute? I want it, guys. I want it.
Rich people can watch your item song. What about the poor people?
Come on, guys. Come on, Doordarshan, man. Who doesn't afford Doordarshan, guys? Come on.
Moving over to Lalu.
सबनी का हमार नमस्कार। आप सबन से तो ही छुपल है के बा कि जब तक देश में आलू है तब तक देश में लालू है। आप लोगों ने हमका बहुत प्यार दी, ओके, बट today we want to tell that like I developed the country's अब बोला था like I developed the country's railway system. I developed full country like that. All of you will drink country and then develop country. So give me this parachute. I can. So because if I am not there, who will take care of the buffalo? And if Ruka bhai, and if there is no buffalo,